Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a daily note in your Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your Vault or workspace in Obsidian Notes. And one way would be, of course, to start a new note by right-clicking into that field here on the left-hand side, select a new note, and then you may title it, let's say, for example, today is June 8th, 2026. So you can do that, for example, right? So that's how I do it sometimes, but there's also option number 2, guys. There's that feature here on the very left-hand side, open today's daily note. If you left-click into it, Obsidian Notes will automatically create a daily note for the given date with the date format here, with the title, so that you can, use it. And on the next day, tomorrow on June 9th, for example, use the same method to create another daily note. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.